Hello, welcome to online PHP learning. So in this video, we will be covering introduction of PHP, what is PHP, and the basic fundamentals of PHP language. Before you continue with PHP, you should have basic understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you don't know this, then first you should learn basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So what is PHP? Well, as you already might know, PHP is a server-side scripting language which is very powerful for making dynamic and interactive web pages. Now before we go ahead, let me tell you that PHP actually stands for Hypertext Preprocessor, which is recursive acronym for PHP. Now what is server-side scripting? When your client's browser sends request to the server through the internet. Suppose your URL is www.example.com/index.php. An index file might be contain HTML, CSS, PHP, and JavaScript code. Then web server will execute PHP code and send response to the client through the internet. Response from the server may be different. That's why it is used for making dynamic and interactive web pages. Now what is PHP file? PHP files can contain text, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP code, and it has .php extension. The PHP code is executed on the server and the result is returned to the browser as a plain HTML text. So let's go ahead and see what exactly you can do with PHP. So these are the major 4 things that you can do with PHP. You can create dynamic and beautiful web pages. You can collect data from a form and that has been created in HTML. You can use it for data encryption. You can use PHP to create a simple CRUD application, which stands for create, read, update, and delete. PHP can send and receive cookies, and it also modify data in your database. It, it can be used to control user access. Now these are the some features of PHP. It is easy to learn. It supports different types of database. PHP has a cross-platform and it also supports multiple server types. Now, some of you might be wondering, why should I actually learn PHP? First of all, you must consider that PHP is widely used and extreme flexible language. And PHP runs on various platforms like Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac operating system, etc. And it is compatible with almost all servers. And it also supports wide range of database and it's also easy to learn. Now what is the new version of PHP? PHP new version of PHP is 7, so it is much faster than previous popular stable release and it has improved error handling and it also supports stricter type declaration for function arguments. So this was the introduction of PHP. In the next video, we will learn how to install PHP on your local machine.